Welcome to DIY with Gayle and the Ketchikan Public Library. Welcome, family, friends, and neighbors. Well, here we are, just days from the holiday, and I'm not quite ready. Do you have your tree up? I don't. Well, I do. I have several trees, and I wanted to play with them, and I want to show you what I'm doing. So we always, well, I do anyway, always have these goofy little trees that I don't know what to do with all of them. You get tired of putting the bulbs on. And this year, the gnomes are so popular. I want to show you what I did. So with just a hat and a bulb, a very simple little Santa tree, a little Santa gnome tree. You put a little green in his hat if you like, but I always have all of these hats and trees and other things around. And so I have a black one, which I've stuck on the top of this guy here. Now, please note, all of these do have lights on them, but I am not using the lights this year. I have very small grands, and they're gonna wanna play with this stuff. And so there's gonna be no lights. So just remember that when you're putting on hats or dressing your trees, you don't wanna use the lights, okay? It's probably not safe. So, bulb for the nose. And then just pull your hat down. And because this isn't very full, and I tried to move the little limbs around a bit, I've got some of this, which I thought would be really pretty and messy. It's got some fake snow on it. Flocked snow, I guess you, flocked, is that what you call it? I think so. Just to give him a little oomph. Now, I'm not going to do the back because it's going to be kind of in a corner. So you plot yours out the way that you need to. Boy, this stuff is making a mess. Berries. Kind of matches the little motif on his hat there. So today is the winter solstice. There is a program at the library. I will put that up at the end. I also would like to invite you to come to Craft and Connect with me at the library. I'm doing a once a month Craft and Connect. Last month we actually made the newspaper, woohoo. We did some Christmas ornaments and Christmas decorations. Next month we'll be doing some beading, and this is very simple beading. What I've tried to do with this event is to have very, very easy things for people to do, all the way up to a little harder. So whatever your skill level is, come on in and give it a try, all right? I've tried to design it for success. And I will have a Craft and Connect on January 18th from 2 to 4. So, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the new year.